Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today, I would like to talk about a link, Chainlink updates with my customer request set. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I highly recommend you go and check the main Bull on Plan video for the link because this is one of the most accurate price action what I ever seen, and it's so simple and basically I like how the links moves to the main direction. So the main target for link, I believe we can hit the new all-time high. This one of not so many tokens which do, I believe, hit the new all-time high. It's $76.48 at least, this one. Most conservative price targets, of course, if we will see just last bounce on the BTC, liquidity from the BTC inflow, not in alts, but in stable coins, and the big guys just decide to fix a profit from BTC, and this cycle, they will not invest in alts at all. So we will not see the altcoin season, the main one, altcoin season, not just a local one, tiny bounce, because every single time when we see some bounces on altcoins, everybody talk about, oh, it's altcoin season starts. After that, we'll land it again back. Everybody start talking, oh, it's a bear market. So people move from white to black. So it's not like this one, guys. So there's a lot of different options for that market, and not everything's so obvious, right? But what we can control our plan, and it's an investment plan and a trading plan. So intraday, of course, you can analyze the intraday inside a day time frame. If we talk about a weekly time frame, link move, pretty good one. So this was a pretty solid accumulation. This is a pump, correction, perfect test, 18 level above FIB, pump 38, collapse it down. This low, this one, I basically don't like it because we didn't sweep the low. So this is kind of scary because usually we sweep and bounce. Now we didn't sweep. So we form actual lows. This one we can form. And that's kind of scary for me because if we will drop again to sweep these lows right now, of course, later in the next bear market, yes, definitely we can drop on the 9 cents, for example. But if we will drop next week, for example, yes, it can be the test of 18 level above FIB again, $8.16, right? I hope not, and I hope we will not see that bounce. But other kind of scary scenario, guys, what we can see, it's a basic head and shoulder. So 1, 2, and if we bounce now to test or 23 level above FIB or the yearly open and not hold above this line for continuation, it can be the head and shoulder pattern, and in this case we will drop again to that low. I don't think so everything's so obvious, right, for head and shoulder. I don't think so, and because of seasonality, now we looks like try hold the line, but support line. But I already explained to you the problem with that trend lines. Usually, we can draw in different ways that trend lines, because for example here we can draw like this one touch, second one, third one. So next one should be here next week, for example, test $10.76 and bounce. If not, we just can drop and grab liquidity actual lows and bounce. But at that time, the people will call it the fake out all the time. This is one of the possible scenario, positive one, positive. And crucial moment is the yearly test. Yearly test, now it's $20. At $20, we have to take a look how we will close the week, how we will close the June, because if we reject, yes, we can start forming the head and shoulder, and it can be kind of bad. Yes, definitely. So I don't think so. We will drop now to $10 and bounce. I think, or we drop and sweep the lows, actual lows, and bounce, or we move next week from this current prices higher to the yearly open. So now it's hard to say about the potential price action, for the link, because I don't like this actual lows, and I want to show it on indicator set of this buy line now on a daily. It's 9.58. So yes, exactly under this low. Take profit 18.99. Weekly, around the test of the buy line again, it's 10.33. Fundamental value of this stock and it's 7.66. So guys, just be careful. Just be careful because, for example, for me, the best entry can be for speculation 8.16 or 7.16 fundamental value, and continuation higher to the main targets. Monthly, no data. 12-hour time frame. Once again, the sweep of that low, $10.04. So just prepare yourself, for that potential case scenarios. Take a look, guys, with ADZ direction market mode on weekly. It's good because we're in disbelief. So we trade here in the capitulation zone in disbelief. Last time $5 bounce it to basically 22.87. Afria drop. Once again, disbelief $10.80. At the top, $30. So looks like a move with round numbers. That's why now would be good to see once again a $10 drop to the capitulation zone and bounce again. ADZ, we're in accumulation on a weekly. Disbelief, it's good time to accumulate. Direction, no signals to buy. On the daily, this is accumulation. Direction, no signals to buy. Capitulation on market move. So locally, yes, guys, we around the local bottom, based on wars between the Israel and Iran and escalation for the next week. I guess we will see one more sweep. And after that, when the situation, I hope, will stabilize, we can see the continuation higher. If not, easy just crash to $9. Or even $7. Daily, no money inflow, kind of bad. Or weekly, no money inflow. We need to see some money inflow like it was here in August 24. No, nothing. So just be careful, guys. Here, money inflow at 13. Again, with the bottom, no money inflow. So locally, the K point is $20 and 8. So this like a bearish and bullish range. Daily, here was a sell, take profit, buy, sell, buy back, wish to see new signal to buy. Daily, only signal to sell here, buy back. Nothing new. And take profit, I already showed you. So guys, write please in a comment, what do you think about a current station on the link? I don't like this equal lows at the bottom, and I wait to see the test of the buy line on the daily take profit indicator. I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about the link, what is your targets to buy, to sell. If you like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.